One thing that usually people and businesses do not like is to be dependent on a vendor. Vendor lock-in or vendor dependency is always a business risk and needs to be mitigated. PROCESIO allows you to rely less on the integration capabilities of the business application you use, and with custom actions, you are less dependent on PROCESIO. This is a unique feature that PROCESIO offers. It allows you to add the capabilities you need without waiting for us to develop them. Whatever you need, you can develop and reuse anytime you want in all the processes that run under your account. In this video, you will learn how to add a custom action and how to use it. We will not show how to develop new actions because it's not the purpose of this video series, but you can find the documentation for that on our website. Let's see now what custom action is all about. When we drew the process big picture on the canvas, we added a call sub process action. In this step, we make sure the format of the phone number that we found in the data source is the one that we need to send an SMS. Because there is no check format action available in the PROCESIO platform, we will develop and add one. Because we wanted to showcase also the call sub process action, we decided to create and use a custom action in another process that we will call from this one. So let's create it. On the process design main page, we click on the Create New button. We give a name to our new process and select the Custom Action tab. We click on the Create New Custom Action button and a new window opens on the right. Here we add a name and the binary file we have created for the phone number formatter action. Again, if you want to know how to build the binary file, check our documentation. The binary we will use can be downloaded from the link below. Next, we click on Save and we wait for the validation. Depending on the size and complexity of the program, it might take a while until the action is created. After we see the successfully created message, we can use it the same way we use the platform actions. We drag it onto the workspace, establish the flow, and configure it. As we can see in the configuration window, our custom action requires two variables to be configured. We open the variables window and add the first one. We named it phone number, its type is string, and is an input variable. The second variable, we named it formatted phone number, also type string, but is an output variable. We go back to our custom action and add the variables we've just created in the configuration window. After that, we save it, validate it, and we are ready to run it. We are not going to show how to run the process in this video. We will do it for both the primary process and this sub-process in the last video of this series. Right now, let's finish the setup of the call sub process action. We go back to the primary process, and in the call sub process action configuration window, we select the process we want to include from the drop-down list. As you remember, our custom action requires an input and an output variable, so we need to add them. We map invoice phone number to phone number and formatted phone number to, again, invoice phone number. That's it. We save it, validate it, and now we are ready to run the primary process also. Before we jump to the last video in our series, we want to remind you that custom action is a powerful and unique capability that PROCESIO offers. It allows you to build the capabilities you need and not depend on other application vendors, or us, to integrate and automate your business process. Now it's time to see if the process runs, so please jump to the final video of the series.